On June 11, 2025, the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, issued a memo that significantly reshapes how it handles denaturalization cases. The memo directs DOJ attorneys to prioritize stripping U.S. citizenship from certain naturalized individuals, raising serious concerns in the legal and immigrant rights communities. In this video, we break down what denaturalization is, how the DOJ's new 2025 policy changes the landscape, who may be affected, and how we help clients apply for citizenship the right way, so they never have to worry about looking over their shoulder. Denaturalization is the legal process through which the U.S. government revokes citizenship that was granted through naturalization. This can happen through civil denaturalization under 8 U.S.C. Section 1451, a. If citizenship was obtained through illegal procurement, e.g., the person was ineligible to naturalize, or willful misrepresentation or concealment of material facts. Criminal denaturalization under 18 U.S.C. Section 1425, when someone is criminally convicted of unlawfully obtaining citizenship. Once denaturalized, individuals can become deportable and lose all rights and benefits associated with U.S. citizenship. Historically, denaturalization was used only in extreme cases, such as against Nazi war criminals or those convicted of serious human rights violations. But in recent years, enforcement priorities have shifted. Under the Trump administration, a denaturalization section was created to investigate thousands of citizenship cases. While that unit was dissolved under the Biden administration, the DOJ's June 2025 memo revives the practice in a formal and expanded way, sparking concern among immigration advocates and legal experts. The memo, issued by Assistant Attorney General Brett Shumate, directs DOJ attorneys to prioritize denaturalization in the following categories: national security threats, e.g., terrorism, espionage; human rights violators, e.g., war crimes, torture; members of gangs or transnational criminal organizations; individuals with serious criminal convictions; sex offenders and human traffickers; people who defrauded government benefits programs, like Medicare or Medicaid; large-scale financial fraudsters; individuals who obtain citizenship through bribery or corruption; referrals tied to other criminal investigations; any case DOJ leadership deems sufficiently important. While the DOJ frames this as a way to preserve national security and uphold legal standards, immigration attorneys and civil rights groups warn that the broad discretion in this policy could lead to overreach. You may be at risk for denaturalization if you obtain naturalization through undisclosed criminal history, misstatements, or fraudulent documents. You committed serious crimes before naturalization and either concealed them or misrepresented the facts on your application. You committed crimes after naturalization that reveal prior fraud or ineligibility, for example, if the crime exposes gang ties, immigration fraud, or a false identity used during the naturalization process. You are associated with a terrorist organization, transnational gang, or entity of concern, and that information was not disclosed during your immigration journey. If you're applying for naturalization, or planning to, you can protect yourself from future risks by making sure your N-400 application is truthful, complete, and properly prepared. Here's how we help. 1. Get legal help with your N-400. We carefully review your history and supporting documents to ensure past records, immigration, travel, employment, criminal, are properly disclosed. Any complex or potentially problematic areas are explained clearly and legally. Your application is supported with the right documentation from the beginning. 2. Be honest and thorough. Never guess, omit, or play it safe by leaving something out. 3. Prepare for the interview. We help our clients practice for their naturalization interview so they feel confident and ready, especially if USCIS asks tough or detailed questions. 4. Fix issues before you apply. If you're unsure whether your past immigration history or criminal record may affect your application, we offer honest assessments and help you decide the best time and approach to apply. The DOJ's 2025 denaturalization memo is a wake-up call, not just for those already naturalized, but for those beginning their citizenship journey. At the law offices of Sabrina, we don't just fill out forms. We help you prepare your case with the foresight, legal care, and precision that keeps your future secure. Contact us today at 213-375-8096 to start your path to citizenship, confidently and correctly.